So, hello guys. So, the topic today is about the trigonometric identities. So, this topic is under to the trigonometry subject. So, before nyo panoorin to guys, part 2 na to ng video natin. So, bago nyo panoorin yung part 2, dapat mapanood nyo muna yung part 1 dahil nag-explain lang ako ng konti about sa formula. So, about dito guys, let's proceed na sa first problem agad. So, part 2 na to ng trigonometric identities. So, game guys. So, hello guys. Ito na yung part 2 ng trigonometric identities, and this topic is under to the trigonometry subject. So, this topic is under to the trigonometry subject. So, first, ano una natin gagawin guys is check if kung saan dito yung mga may mahirap. So, sa tingin natin, ito yung mahirap, diba guys? So, ito yung pipili natin. Ito yung ipoprove natin, then dapat is equals niya dito. Maging equals yun. So, game guys, prove na natin. So, first natin gagawin is kukunin natin yung ano nito, LCD. So, first, subtraction to. Subtract, then LCD. 1 minus the sine of x and 1 plus the sine of x. Then, eto, divide natin siya dito. So, maiiwan yung sine. To, eto na lang matitira. Then, i-times natin siya sa 1. Gets? So, 1 minus sine of x and 1 plus sine of x divided sa sine of x is matitira is 1 plus sine of x times siya sa 1 is equals to 1 plus sine of x. So, next is minus 1 plus the sine of x and 1 minus sine of x, divide natin siya sa 1 minus sine of x and 1 plus sine of x. Ito is divide natin siya dito. So, yung magiging sagot dyan is what? 1 plus sine of x makakancel, cancel, matitira ito. Then, times natin siya doon. So, yung sagot is 1 minus sine of x. Then, next is i-distribute natin tong negative sign. So, 1 plus the sine of x minus 1 plus the sine of x. So, negative times negative. Negative times positive is negative, and negative times negative is what? Positive. Gets? So, next is, gagawin natin is copy the denominator. So, 1 minus the sine of x and 1 plus the sine of x. The next is what? Cancel. Cancel, cancel. Then, next natin gagawin is, dahil na-cancel na natin yun, ang next is, dapat kunin natin yung combine like terms. Like, combine like terms natin to. Ayan. So, dahil sila yung magkaparehas, sila yung pagka-add natin. Gets? So, the 2 sine of x over, copy the LCD, 1 plus the sine of x and 1 minus the sine of x. Gets? Then equals to, so the 2 sine of x and 1 plus the sine of x is equals to, so ganito yan guys, dahil ang 1 plus the sine of x is difference of square. Ganito yan. So 1 minus sine squared of x is equals to 1 minus the sine of x and 1 plus the sine of x. Gets guys? So, ito yung magiging LCD natin yan. Ito, 1 minus sine squared of x. Kasi, ito and ito, pares lang. And ito yung equals niya. Gets, guys? Yun yung tinatawag natin the difference of square. Next, 1 minus the sine squared of x over the 2 sine of x. Next natin gagawin is, i-convert natin itong 1 minus the sine squared of x into what? Pythagorean identities. Ito yan guys. Dito tumingin. O game. So, the sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equals to 1. Convert natin into cosine squared of x. Ganito yan guys. Ito, lilipat natin siya dito. Magiging negative. So, the sine squared of x. Wait, cosine squared of x yan. So, the cosine squared of x is equals to 1 minus the sine squared of x. Gets? So, tinranspose ko lang. So, over what? Cosine squared of x and then 2 sine of x. Gets? So, next is 2 and ito is equals to what? Saan siya equals, guys? So, sa 2. So, meron siyang exponent na squared. So, ang ibig sabihin, dalawa sila. So, dito na lang natin. Masyado na masikip. Dalawa sila. Yan. Gets? So, ito is equal sa cosine squared of x. Then, times of what? Cosine of x. And then the sine of x. And then, the cosine of x na isa. Then, may invisible na number 1 niya sa numerator. And then, next is what? So, dito natin lagay, guys. Medyo masikip na, no? Wait. Yan. Dito na tayo niyan dito. Dito natin lagay sagot. Game. So, this is equals to what? Tangent of x. So, the 2, copy the 2, then tangent of x. Then, this is equals to what? Secant of x. Secant of x. Gets? So, eto, and eto is equal sila. So, masasabi natin na-prove natin yung ating equation. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin. So, gets, guys? Medyo mahaba, pero kailangan talagang kabisaduhin mga technique dyan. So, yun lang, guys. Gets? So, next problem tayo nyan. So, hello guys. So, the next problem is the tangent squared of x minus the secant squared of x is equals to negative 1. Ayun ang identity ng tangent of x is equals to what? Sine of x and then the cosine of x, diba guys? So, tangent is equals to sine of x. So, sine squared of x. Bakit may 2? Kasi naka-squared yan. Gets over what? The cosine squared of x minus the secant of x. Secant squared of x equals to what? Cosine squared of x. So, the secant of x is equals to 1 over cosine of x. Gets? Then, the next is what? Cosine squared of x. Ginawa natin LCD niya. So, pagsasama lang dahil same sila ng denominator. Then, the numerator is sine squared x minus 1. Gets? So, next natin gagawin is paghihiwalay natin sila. So, before natin yun, isipin na paghihiwalay natin sila. Tignan muna natin mabuti na ang sine squared of x minus 1 over the cosine squared of x is meron silang value. So, eto, meron siyang identity. Ano ba yung identity ng cosine squared of x? Is equals to what? What? Sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equals to 1. So, ililipat lang natin yung sine of x, the sine squared of x. Wait, panasin ko yung screen ko. Pumasa. Next. The cosine squared of x. Wait. So, the cosine squared of x is equals to 1 minus the sine squared of x. Gets, guys? So, next natin gagawin is what? Convert natin ito sa dito. Gets? Bali, ito yung papalabas natin yan. So, the sine squared of x minus 1 over 1 minus sine squared of x. Gets? Is equals to. Next natin gagawin is ayusin natin siya para makancel natin lang siya. So, gets, guys? So, ganito yung gagawin natin yan. So, the c1 minus sine squared of x. So, siya yung susundan natin, guys, yung 1 minus sine squared of x. Kasi, ang sine squared of x, and eto is, magkapareho lang yan. Kaso, nakaibang format lang, nakabali-baliktad lang. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. So, minus 1 plus the sine, wait, asa na? Minus the sine squared of x. Bakit ganyan? Kasi, wait, copyin muna natin ito para hindi kayo malito. Yan. Kasi kapag tinimes ko yan dito is negative 1. Tama na yun. Then pag tinimes ko to, magiging positive. So, positive naman talaga yan. So, gets guys? Parang kapag dinistribute ko ba itong mga araw-araw na to, yan is mag-same pa rin ba siya dito? So, same pa rin ang kalalabasan niya. So, gets guys? So, next is cancel, cancel. So, may natirang negative. So, negative 1 ang sagot is equals to negative 1. So, na-prove natin ang negative 1 is tama. So, prove guys. Gets? Medyo nakakalito guys, pero practice lang. Pero gets? So, the next problem is the secant x sine x over the tangent x plus tangent x is equal to sine squared x. Next, game. So, the identity of the secant x is equals to 1 over cosine of x multiply sa sine x na. So, sine x na lang sulat natin doon na. The next, identity of the tangent x is sine of x over the cosine of x plus the cosine of x over the sine of x. Yung identity nito. Gets? Next is kunin na natin yung ano nito. So, pag times na natin yan. Wait. Palta natin kulay. So, pag times na natin yan is equals to what? Sin x multiply to sin x over cosine of x. May invisible one yan dito Tapos ito yung pag-multiply natin. Gets? So, next is get the LCD of this. So, ang LCD niyan is cosine of x and sine of x. I-divide natin siya dito. Cosine of x multiply sine of x is cancel yung cosine. So, matitira is sine of x times to sine of x. Sine squared x yun. Game. Sine squared of x. Next, ito, divide mo siya dito. Tanggal yung sine. And cosine na lang natira, multiply mo sa cosine is equals to cosine x multiply to cosine x equals to cosine squared x plus the cosine squared x. So next, so natin kung ano yung identity ito, flip. So reciprocal yan, division siya dito. Division. Gets? Pag naka-divide siya, magta-times na siya pag na-reciprocal na. Gets? So, game. Next is sa taas, sin x over the cosine of x times na siya. Kasi, i-reciprocal natin yan. Reciprocal niyan is cosine x. Sin x reciprocal, kabaliktaran nito. Gets? So, sin squared of x plus the cosine squared of yan na, naka-multiply yan times yan, times. So next, cancel na tayo yan. So after nyo mag-cancel na tayo, cancel this and this. So yung natira is sine of x multiply sine of x is equals to what? Sine squared of x over, copy this kasi 1 na lang to. So 1 times sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x equals to sine squared of x plus cosine squared x equals to ito, sulat natin is sine squared of x, then the identity of this is sine squared x plus the cosine squared x is equals to 1. So 1 siya, 1. Then sine squared x divided by 1 is equals to what? Sine squared of x equals to sine squared of x. Ito yan. So, ito yung nakuha natin sagot. So, dahil nag-equal siya, ibig sabihin na prove natin na tama yung equation. Gets? So, the next problem is the secant x over the cosine x minus the tangent x over cotangent x. So, dapat ma-prove natin na 1 siya. So, piliin yung complicated side. So, ito yung solve natin. Then, dapat lumabas is 1. Gets? So, first, the secant x is equals to what? 1 over cosine of x. So, reciprocal identity. Then, copy the cosine of x. Ito, copy lang. Next, minus. Sine of x is equals to, tangent of x is equals to sine of x over the cosine of x. Quotient identity. Then, this is equals to cosine x over the sine of x. Gets? Quotient identity mga to. Nito. Gets? Next is, kunin natin yung pinaka-divide nito. So, pinag-divide natin to is, dito natin lagay 1 over cosine of x. Bakit divide? Kasi itong line na to is nagre-represent ng division. So, pag naka-divide yan, meron yung imaginary na 1 dito. May invisible 1 yan dyan. Gets? So, times na siya. Then, yung ito is magre-reciprocal. So, cosine of x. So, pag nag-reciprocal natin yan, yung 1 mapupunta sa taas. So, 1 dito and cosine of x. Gets? So, equals natin siya sa saan? Sa cosine squared of x. Then, 1. Multiply. Then, kukuha natin is 1 over cosine squared of x. Gets? So, next, meron na tayo nito. Meron na. Dito naman tayo nyan. Is sine of x over the cosine of x times, then reciprocal nito, magta-times na siya kasi re-reciprocal na natin is what? Sine of x over the cosine of x. Get? Then after na mag-times is mag-times na natin sa taas and sa baba. Ano makukuha? Sine squared of x over the cosine squared of x. So, ito yan. Ito. Gets? Next. Ito. Sulat. 1 over cosine squared of x minus ito. Gets? So, sine minus what? Sine squared of x over the cosine squared of x. Gets? Dahil same yung denominator, yung sa taas pag ma-minus na lang kasi minus to. So, equals to 1 minus sine squared of x over cosine squared of x. Gets? So, next is, maghiwalayin siya. So, 1 over cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x over the cosine squared of x. Gets? Next, anong identity nito is what? Secant squared of x minus identity nito is what? Tangent squared of x. Then, this is nasa Pythagorean theorem na tangent squared of x plus 1 is equals to secant squared of x. Then, ililipat natin to doon. So, 1 is equals to secant squared of x minus tangent squared of x. So, 1 siya yung kabuuan nito. So, this is equals to what? 1. Equals to 1. So, gets guys? So, 1 siya. So, na-prove natin na ang identity na to is tama. So, ano guys? Gets? So, the next problem is the cosecant squared theta multiplied to tangent squared theta minus 1 is equals to tangent squared theta. First, titingnan natin kung ano yung mahirap na area. So, eto yun. Mahirap to. So, yan yung ipoprove natin. Dapat na mapalabas natin yung tangent squared theta. Gets? So, the cosecant squared theta, ang identity niyan is 1 over sine squared theta. May squared kasi naka-squared. So, next, the tangent squared theta is equals to what? Quotient identities is sine squared theta over cosine squared theta minus 1. Naka-squared. Gets? Next. So, pag-multiply na natin to. Etong cosine and ito. Then, what is equal to what? 1 times to sine squared theta is equals to sine squared theta over sine squared theta multiply cosine squared theta is sine squared theta and cosine squared theta minus 1. Gets? Then, what? Gets the LCD of this. Anong LCD nito? Sin squared theta over sin squared theta cosine squared theta minus 1. Get the LCD first is what? Sin squared theta and cosine squared theta. Then, eto, pag divide mo, then multiply sa taas. Gets? Then, sin squared theta and cosine squared theta multiply sin squared theta and cosine squared theta is equals to what? 1 multiply sa sin squared theta is equals to what? Sin squared theta. Then next, eto is direct mo na lang ng pag-multiply. So, negative sin squared theta and cosine squared theta. Gets? So, next natin gawin is what? Is paghiwalay natin siya, guys. So, next is paghiwalayin. So, dito tayo, diretso natin dito. Wait, namatay. Diretso natin siya dito. Game. So, sin squared theta over ito yun. Yung buo. So, next. Ano yung baba niya is sin squared theta and cosine squared theta minus what? Sin squared theta and cosine squared theta and sin squared theta and cosine squared theta. Next, gets? So, sin squared theta over sin squared theta and cosine squared theta over cos squared theta is equals to what? 1. Di-divide lang natin yan, guys, kasi magkapareho sila, so 1 na lang yan. Next is cancel this and cancel. So, natira is cosine squared theta and may 1 sa taas yan. Gets? So, 1 over cosine squared theta minus 1. And identity nito is what? Secant squared theta minus 1. And the secant squared theta sa Pythagorean identities is plus 1 and secant squared theta. So, ito is lilipat natin siya. Itong 1. So, yung sagot is tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta minus 1. So, this is equals to what? Tangent squared theta. Gets? So, the tangent squared theta equals to tangent squared theta. So, na-prove natin na ang ito is equal siya sa dito. Dito, equal siya. Ito yun. Gets, guys? Ano, guys? Gets? So, the next problem is the cosine squared theta minus sin squared theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared theta. So, the cosine squared theta is equals to what? 1 minus sin squared theta. Saan galing to? Sa Pythagorean identities na sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Lipat mo siya dito is equals to what? 1 minus sin squared theta is equals sa cosine squared theta. So, ito yan, guys. Gets? Minus sin squared theta. Copy. Then, 1 negative sin squared theta minus sin squared theta. So, 1 minus what? May 1 yan dito. Invisible 1. So, is equals to 2 sin squared theta. So, equal siya sa 1 minus 2 sin squared theta nito. So, the equation is mapuprove natin na tama siya, guys. Gets? So, yun lang, guys. So, for the part 2 of the trigonometric identities, proving to, guys. So, yun lang, guys. And I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.